1. Focused breathing. Sit comfortably in a quiet place and focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale slowly and deeply. Count to 5 with each inhale and exhale. Every time your mind wanders, bring it back to your breath. 2. Body scan. While lying down, close your eyes and focus on your body starting from your toes and working your way up to your head. Notice any sensations in each part of your body and let go of any tension or pain. 3. Mantra repetition. Choose a word or phrase that has personal meaning and repeat it silently to yourself. It could be something like peace or love. Whenever your thoughts drift away, bring them back to your chosen mantra. 4. Walking meditation. Find a quiet path or park where you can walk without distractions. Focus on your footsteps and surroundings, and take deep breaths. As you walk, let go of any worries or stress. 5. Visualization. Imagine a peaceful, calming scene in your mind's eye. It could be a beach, a forest, or anywhere that makes you feel relaxed. Focus on the details of your visualization and let your mind become fully immersed in the scene. Thank you for watching, and please click the link in the bio below for more tips to help you meditate successfully.